In this video, I will show you the likely reason why your S Pen is not staying inside your S23 Ultra. Now, the first thing we need to do, if this isn't going back into the pen compartment here, the number one reason why this may be happening is that as you can see right here, right, we have got a little clickable button. Now, often what the problem will be is that there will be debris and rubbish stuck inside the little pressy button here. And if this is very stiff, and it's not going down, and when you push it down you're not hearing that click and it's not staying at the bottom, for example, this means that it will need cleaned out. Now, once we clean this out, you may need to do this with a very small pin, or a slight little bit of water will do this trick if you can get in there with a little bit of a cloth. Once we've done this and then you put this back in, right, you will then want to push it in, and then as soon as you hear that click, that should then sort that problem out, and then the S Pen should go back in there and it should fit snug and perfect as long as this little clickable button here is working correctly. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix the S Pen not fitting and not staying back in its compartment.